What's going on, guys? This is Mark here, Mercado's Vending, the Mercado channel, guys. And today, I'm excited. I'm back with another video. In my previous videos, I went out to find locations for vending machines. I got one location in which pretty soon I'm going to be showing you guys the arrival of my new machine, what machine I chose for this pizza shop. I'll be unboxing it, and I also will be reviewing my first machine I ever bought, guys. I'm going to let you know what machine. But yeah, guys, before we even get started, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, guys, and comment down below what you want to see. Comment down below with questions, guys. And yeah, so today I'll be going back to these locations that were closed previously. I'm gonna go do that first things first. I'm also gonna be checking up on my one of my machines, see how it's doing, make sure it's still operating properly. Check the level of the candy. I'm not gonna be collecting from it, but I will be arriving there and seeing how it's doing. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and stay with the kid. So guys, we're here. We're at the auto shop right here, service center. Just gonna run in quick, see if I could talk to the owner, and as soon as I get an answer quick, I'm just gonna be back on this and let you know what happened. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys, so that was quick. The owner wasn't there, so I'm just gonna keep it moving. Told me to come back tomorrow early. He only comes in for about the first hour of the business, and then he heads home. So yeah, guys, so guys, we're here, second location, Midas. I don't see a machine in there. I'm gonna try to see if I could get a machine in there. So let's go see if we can find a store manager or owner. See you shortly. So I'm back in the car, and I got a little interesting answer from the manager, store manager at Midas. Let me know, guys, if you guys have came across this answer from any of the like popular businesses like Midas, Pep Boys, Jiffy Lube. But the manager's like, he didn't think that his company was gonna allow a machine in there, which I found interesting. So that's the answer I got in there, which is a no, guys. So we're just gonna keep going. All right, guys, here at the tattoo shop, gonna check on my machine. Haven't had any luck yet with finding a new location, but yeah, catch you guys inside. Here it is, nice and stocked, and we're out of here, working fine. So the machine is working fine. It's only been there for 6 or 7 days now, and I seen there's about $1 or $2 in there, so it's all right, I guess. If it continues that way, I'll probably pull it, but I don't know, it can pick up or it can be slow the whole time. I mean, like I said, the shop is appointments only. He is an amazing artist, and he has other artists in there. It's a nice shop, but not much people sit there. The traffic isn't heavy, so it may not make as much as my other locations. But hey, you gotta start somewhere, right, guys? So that was my machine, and yeah, everything's running fine. He said a few people's used it. It works fine. It gives a good amount of candy, and that's all that matters. It's stocked up nice, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a month, guys. I'll keep you posted on my other locations. So guys, that's gonna do it for today. Long story short, guys, what you gotta learn is that you're not always gonna go out and find a location. Today I didn't find no location. I actually went to like almost 10 businesses, and I didn't come across owners. Some said no and stuff like that. So guys, keep trying. I'm not upset at myself or anything. The other day I went to like two or three places and got a yes. Today I went to more and got no's. So you just got to learn to stay positive, stay strong, guys, and that's that. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.